Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I will show you how you can log out from your Gmail account, from one of your Gmail account. At the first you have to go for the Google app and find your Gmail. When we are here and we are already logged in, we have to tap on the right upper corner when we can find three different accounts, right? And here you have to click to manage accounts on this device, select Google, and then simply pick the account that you want to remove. I'm going for the last one. Then tap on the two dots in the right upper corner, click to remove account. Let's confirm. And when we are going back, we cannot find this account anymore. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.